Did you know that over 90 countries are now using drones for military operations? That's right. In just a few short years, drone warfare has transformed the battlefield and reshaped global conflict. Today, we're diving deep into the world of drones and the future of warfare. From the streets of Ukraine to the deserts of the Middle East, this technology is changing how wars are fought, and it's happening faster than you think. Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. If you're new here, don't forget to hit that subscribe button and ring the bell for more deep dives into the latest tech and its impact on our world. Trust me, you won't want to miss what we've got in store today. So, what does it mean for global conflict when a drone strike can be launched from halfway across the world? And more importantly, what does it mean for us? Stick around, because we're about to break it all down. Let's start with the challenges. First up, ethical concerns. With operators sitting thousands of miles away from the battlefield, the line between combatant and civilian can get dangerously blurry. We've seen this firsthand in Ukraine, where drones are playing a central role in the ongoing conflict. What do you think about the ethics of drone warfare? Do you think it's justified if it saves human soldiers' lives? Let me know in the comments. Now, let's talk tech. Drones have come a long way, from simple surveillance tools to fully autonomous machines capable of making decisions on the battlefield. For example, in Ukraine, the Turkish-made Bayraktar TB2 drones have been instrumental in taking out Russian armored vehicles. But here's where it gets tricky. As drones become smarter, the risk of losing human judgment in critical situations becomes more significant. What happens when a machine decides who lives and who dies? Have you ever thought about the implications of AI in warfare? Would you trust a machine to make those decisions? Let's talk about it. Let's look at a case study that changed the conversation around drone warfare. In 2010, a US drone strike in Pakistan led to civilian casualties, sparking outrage and raising ethical concerns. Fast forward to today, and we're seeing similar incidents in Ukraine. These incidents aren't just tragic, they're shaping the way we think about warfare. The global debate on drone ethics is more relevant now than ever. If you had the power, how would you regulate drone warfare? I'm curious to hear your thoughts. As we wrap up, it's clear that drone warfare is changing the landscape of global conflict in ways we're only beginning to understand. From ethical dilemmas to the potential for an all-out arms race, these are challenges we can't afford to ignore. Now, I want to hear from you. What are your thoughts on drone warfare, especially in the context of the Ukraine-Russia conflict? Do you think the benefits outweigh the risks? Drop your comments below, and let's start a conversation about this critical issue. And if you're interested in more content like this, make sure to like, share, and subscribe. We've got some amazing videos lined up that you won't want to miss. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one. Oh, and one more thing, what topics do you want me to cover next? Leave your suggestions below, and who knows, your idea could be featured in our next video.